You will need 4 touch sensors, some wire, cheap glasses, a couple of screws, and this bendable metal. 2 of the sticks are 5 inches, the other ones are 2.5 inches long. And these caps and connectors that can be 3D printed. Here's a view of all the parts. First, put 3 wires between each of the tubes and then thread them through these caps. Then, break off the touch sensors. There is a ground signal and a VCC for 5 volts. Solder the wires to the board. And then thread the wires through the connector piece. And when you're finished, it should look like this. Just below the area where the light is on the sensors, I would recommend making a small hole so that you can see the red light go off when it's activated. Attach it to the sunglasses. Drill a hole between all of the pieces. Put a screw in and secure it. The next step is to take a glue gun and secure all the loose joints. The last thing we'll do is the wiring. Combine the 2 power wires and the 2 ground wires. Extend the wires around 10 feet. At the end, I attached these breadboard parts. Cover up all the loose areas with some insulated tape. The last thing to do is to pop out the lenses. This is the final product. Here is an example of it in action.